Hi there, my name is Ruchira and I am the designer behind FunLurn. Welcome to the stream. Today we will be foiling using our Cricut Joy machines. Now, previously, in a previous video, I have showed you how to foil using the Cricut Foil Transfer System. Okay, so I'll just move away from my computer. It is making a lot of noise. I hope you're not able to hear it. I'm really sorry. So, it should calm down in a minute. Let me just check if anybody is watching me online. Okay, I'll just go live. I think it's still. Okay, so hello again. My name is Ruchira and I'm the designer behind FunLurn. In today's video, we will be doing hot foiling. Okay, so in a previous video, I've showed you how to do the kind of foiling that is allowed with Cricut, which is the inherent foil transfer tool. Okay, so the one that you get from the Cricut store. Okay, so this one is the foil transfer tool for your bigger machines, which is your Explore, your Cricut Maker, or your Cricut Venture. Okay, and this is the foil transfer tool that you get for your Joy machine. Okay, both of these can be used with the pressure transfer foils. Those foils that work when you use pressure, and then you can transfer the foil to the substrate, the paper. Okay, today what we will be doing is we will be doing hot foiling using our Cricut Joy machine. Okay, so I see that Rana has joined. Hello Rana. So I missed a couple of days, Rana. So my daughter was not well and I couldn't keep up. So today I'll try to do more videos. How are you and how is it going for you? So we actually were doing a 30-day challenge. Me, Rana, Swapna, and some more people. We all joined together. We were all doing it separately, but we were still cheering each other up. Okay, so she's saying hi. So today we will be doing hot foiling. Okay, now this tool, I must tell you, that is not a Cricut tool. Okay, and Cricut does not want you to be using this tool along with your machine because this can void your warranty. So you can, I've been using this tool for a lot of years. Okay, so I can say that this tool works well and it gives me, I would say, better results than the Cricut's inherent foil transfer tool. But I must also warn you that using this tool can void your warranty. Okay, so this is a heat pen. Okay, you see over here, it has a tip that can heat up, and this is the power. Okay, so this USB cord goes into the USB slot of your the power system that you're using. Either your sometimes people have a backup battery, or you can directly plug it in as you plug in your phone charger, and then it heats up. So you give it a time of around 1 or 2 minutes. Actually, they say 5 minutes. I found that 2 minutes is fine. I heat it up and then I use it with my Cricut machine to get amazing foils. Okay, so that's what I do. I'll get up and I'll plug this in and let it get charged. Okay, not charged, actually heated up. You see that it lights up? That shows that it's now getting heated up. Now I must tell you that it is going to be super hot. So I'm going to keep it somewhere else where it can get heated up safely, not over the top of my existing papers. Okay, I have a question here. Why will I want to use this if I have a foil tip? Can you tell me? And I want to do. Okay, so the thing is, I have tested this tool along with the regular Cricut foil transfer tool, and I found that I have gotten better and consistent results with this tool. Okay, so the foil transfer tool for Cricut Joy does not give you a nice result. The one with the bold tip, in case of a Cricut Maker or a Cricut Explorer, the thicker one that I showed you. Okay, this one, the foil transfer tool. Over here I have the fine tip, but if you have the bold tip, that has given me the most consistent results when it comes to foil transferring using the pressure sensitive foil and the foil transfer tool. But I haven't had consistent results with this tool, with these tools. Okay, be it the Joy transfer tool, Joy foil transfer tool, or the regular Cricut foil transfer tool, I have not had consistent results. But with the hot foiling, I have got consistent results. Also, I am able to transfer foil on plastics really well with this tool, which I have not been able to with the Cricut Foil Transfer tool. Okay, so let's not get confused over here. I will call the other one the VR Memory Keepers Foil Transfer tool because that's the brand, and this one as the Cricut Foil Transfer tool, so that we are not confused. Okay, so while it is getting heated up, I will take you to design space. Okay, and let me check if you're able to see it. Yes, you are. Now I will go to my profile. Now I am also a Cricut contributing artist, and that means that you can find my designs on Design Space. If you are a Cricut member, Cricut Access member, okay? So what I'll do today is I'll find a simple design and I will foil it, okay? So I have a lot of draw files. I'll choose this one. So this one, it says Ramadan Kareem, and since Ramzan is going on, this one would be very beautiful design to work with today. I'm just going to resize it to 5.5 inches. Actually 5.75 would be okay because yeah. And now I can choose all of these to be drawn. Why drawn? Because that's how much pressure I want the tool to put on the foil when it is foiling, because I will be foiling all of this, right? I'll just choose pen and I'll choose black pen, but I know in reality it will be foiled. And from this, I may be removing this one, okay, so that it's less cluttered, because if it was a different color, then that background would have been that background would have looked nice. Now I'll select everything. You see everything is first drawn and then basic cut. I would not choose basic cut right over here. The reason is that it will not pause for me to remove the foil. Okay, currently if I choose the pen option, but I would not like to remove the foil, so I will just let this option be and I will cut it manually. Okay, so I'll just remove this basic cut from here, and then I'll check. I can just go a little bit bigger than this. 5.75 is the height that I want. Okay, this is fine. Now select everything and attach. It is already attached. I'm going to click make. Sorry. I would first like to save it as foiled Ramadan Kareem lantern -RB. Check projects, save. While it does that, I'm going to check. Okay, when I saying R alphabet, you want me to foil that R for you? I'll definitely do that. I have another video coming up. I will do that with my maker. Okay, in that one I'll foil R. I'll just check if I have viewers over here on my YouTube. Okay, so if you're watching me on Instagram and you want to see it in a full-fledged like landscape format, you can hop on to my YouTube channel and there you can see the same live stream in the proper landscape format. Now I'll take you over here. I'm going to click continue. And sorry, I need to cancel because currently it has chosen my maker machine. So I'll cancel the cut. I'll cancel from here. I'll go over here, and from here I'll choose my Joy because I want to use Joy to foil this. Okay, next I'm going to click make, and there it brings for me the entire thing. I'm just going to move it a little bit over here. Now I am limited by the size of the foil also. It's 4 by 6 inches, the foil that I have over here. So 5.75 would be just the right size for the foil. Okay, so it will be on matte and it's okay. I'm going to click, and next it's going to find my Joy machine, and over here I can just choose medium cardstock and pressure to be default, and now it is like telling me to get my mat and everything ready. So I'll take you to the table. Now what I'll do is I'm going to foil with silver on green cardstock. Okay, but I need to cut this, trim this down to fit my mat. So I will bring in my trimmer. And just today morning I saw a big lizard over here. So if you find a lizard coming on the table, do not get scared. Okay, this is the one that I'll be using. Keep this back. Keep this also back, and then I'll remove the protective sheet. I'll put this on, and then I'll use my brayer tool. Next, I'll take this one. I don't think, okay, it is open. Then I'm going to just take out one foil. Okay, these foils are notorious for getting stuck, and you might pick more than one. So make sure that you just choose one. They are very thin. These are heat transfer foils. This you get along with the foil transfer, the VR Memory Keeper's Foil Quill. Okay, this I'm going to keep right over here. Now let me tell you, the tape that you can use with this is washi tape, or the one that you get along with this. I generally just use Scotch tape, and that works fine for me. Just want to keep it over here, and then I am going to stick the foil onto the paper. So what I do is I just take a piece of Scotch tape, I tear it in half, okay, and then I stick it. I make sure that only the smallest, thinnest edge is covered, so that I get more foil exposed, because if I will cover more of the foil with the paper, and if the foil quill gets onto the, like if the foiling area is covered by the tape, the foil tool will not transfer the foil because the heat does not get transferred to the tape. Okay, so make sure that you're using the tiniest edge, like this. Okay, now the bottom portion, I have found that I don't need to cover it like completely, because in case of the foil, the Cricut foil transfer tool, it has to apply pressure, and when it has to apply pressure, it has to make sure that the foil stays in place. But over here, the pen just needs to glide. The heated pen just needs to glide on top of this foil. So I have found that I don't need to like cover all the edges. It just has to be enough so that the foil does not move. That's it. Next, I can open this. My foil tip is now heated up. Okay, and I will then insert the mat. So there, the mat is inserted. It will now check the length of the mat. Okay, now I will insert this tool. Okay, it goes right in, but I want to make sure that there is a clearance, that it does not touch the paper, but it's a little bit above. So when I see that the quill tip is touching this ice cream popsicle stick, that's when I'll close it and I'll remove this. And now my machine is all set to start foiling. Okay, let me just check if anybody has any questions. Other people have also joined. Hello everybody. Today we are foiling, hot foiling on paper with the VR Memory Keeper's foil transfer tool, and I have already heated the tool and it's all set to foil. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go to Cricut Design Space. I'll take you there, and from here I will click Go. Now it's preparing, and I will take you to the table. And now you see it's doing its job. And you will see, like, if I have examples to show you in parallel, what you get with your foil transfer tool, that the Cricut foil transfer tool is doing, and what you get along with this tool, you will see the difference is night and day, because the lines are more consistent, the transfer is complete, and I maybe I'm biased, I just love this tool more. Once it does foiling, what I'll do is I'll take it out of the mat, then I'll remove the tape and I'll show you the result, and then I'll manually trim it. However, I also have a hack, so you do not have to remove it and then trim it manually. If you include a very tiny piece of foil element, like the Cricut foil element, I just showed in another video. Just make sure you ping me, let me know in the description that you want to see a video of that sort, and I'll make another one, okay, in which I'll show you what is the hack so that you don't have to take this entire thing out to trim it, but Cricut can also cut it. How is the weather there? It is turning hot now. Okay, so for the last 20 days, I've been making one video every single day covering different Cricut concepts under the title How to Cricut That. And this has been a part of the series that I'm doing for the National Craft Month. And I missed a couple of days because my daughter was not well. But I have covered a lot of topics, including how to use the debossing tip, how to use the engraving tip, how to use a different pen along with your Cricut Joy machine. So I have covered a lot of things, and I will add, like, they're all there in my YouTube playlist if you see that. However, I do not see a lot of response from my Instagram audience, so I haven't compiled anything up over here. Okay, so it's done. It's just doing the outermost line, and there, it's done. Okay, I'll take you to design space, and over here I will unload, take you back to the table, and now I am just going to remove this to show you. So the thing is, I have just done my nails. I shouldn't have done that because I would need to use them. Oh god, it's funny. What can I use? Okay. There. You see it? It's beautifully foiled. And then I can manually trim it. So today we covered hot foiling along with Cricut Joy. I will be making another video in this series which will be hot foiling with your Cricut Maker or your Cricut Explore machines. Okay, so that video is coming next. I hope you keep watching, and if you think this video was beneficial to you, please give it a like. I would know that people like you like people like me. Like people like me. Oh wow, what was that? Okay, so I'll see you again, and